Hello boys and girls, nice to see you again. Today I'm going to read a story about, well, it's about some puppies. And it's called, Oi, Puppies! And you can see the frog is shouting that. And here we've got lots of puppies and a big dog in the middle. And the big dog looks a little bit, a little bit worn out by all the puppies running around. Let's have a look inside. Lots of puppies there. Yap, bark, yap, yap, bark. Oi, puppies. The story is written by Kes Gray. The pictures are by Jim Field. Oi, oi, oi. What is that infernal noise? Asked the cat. Yes, where's all that barking and yapping coming from? Said the frog. I'm looking after some puppies, said the dog. Yap, bark, yap, yap, bark. How many puppies? Frowned the frog. Quite a lot of puppies, gulped the dog. This one is called Tiddle. This one's called Buster. This one's Jack. That one's called Rover. And this one's called Milo. Sit, Milo, said the cat. He won't sit, said the dog. Sit, Tiddle, said the frog. She won't sit either, said the dog. Why won't they sit? Asked the cat. Because they're puppies, said the dog. Puppies are far too busy being puppies to sit. Hold on, said the cat. I thought puppies sat on guppies. That's right, said the frog. Oh, this one's doing a wee. Not these puppies, said the dog. These puppies are really badly trained. There's a puppy hanging from my whiskers, frowned the cat. He's called Spot, said the dog. There's a puppy chewing my swimming trunks, said the frog. Oh, she's called Lolly, said the dog. Oh dear. What are these puppies called? Asked the frog. Tickle, Blue, Scamp, Rebel, Smudge and Shep, said the dog. And what are these puppies called? Frowned the cat. Winnie, Cheeky, Spike, Flash, Trouble and Trixie, said the dog. Whew, there are lots of puppies, aren't there? Well, do something about them, yelled the cat. Let me make a phone call, said the frog. He's got his phone there. I wonder who he's going to call. Oh, look, it's a big van, and on the side of the van it says, Oi, Animal Seating Supply Company. Where do you want everything? Said the delivery truck duck. There's the delivery duck. On the next page, please, said the frog. Okay, let's turn over and see what things are inside the truck. Look, gasped the dog. Buster is sitting on a duster, and Jock is sitting on a clock. That's right, smiled the frog. And Tiddle is on a fiddle. That's not all, smiled the cat. Milo's on a lilo. Rover's on some clover. Tickle's on some pickles. And Smudge is on some fudge. I wonder what Spot is sitting on, asked the dog. I wonder what Spot is sitting on, said the dog. Spot is on a yacht, said the frog. Spot's on a yacht. The yacht's called the Waggy Tail. Rebels on a pebble. Shep's on a step. Scamp's on a lamp. Cheeky is on some tatsiki. And Blue's on a shoe. I wonder what Lolly is sitting on, said the cat. Can you think? Let's find out. Lolly is on a trolley, said the frog. Lolly's on a trolley. Trixie's on a pixie. Flash is on a splash. Spike's on a trike. Winnie's on a pinny. And Trouble is on a bubble. That's amazing, said the dog. I've never seen so many puppies so well behaved. Well, the cat looks pleased, the dog looks very happy, and the frog looks very pleased with himself. Hold on, what do tadpoles sit on? Said the dog. And kittens that are allergic to mittens, said the cat. Why do you ask? Frowned the frog. Oh, look, could that be a tadpole? It might be. Oh, look. Lots and lots of tadpoles, lots and lots of kittens. I'm Suki Pokes. Where do we sit? I'm Billy Bob. My name is Orange. My name is Lemon. I'm Fluffykins. My name's Diddley. My name's Squiggly. I'm Cutiekins. Oi, taxi. Oh dear. The frog is running away. And he's still running. But the tadpoles and the kittens are following. Ha ha. Well, what a super story. There's the back of the cover with some other oi stories. There's the cat looking grumpy. And that's the front and back cover. And here is the front cover. Oi, puppies. A very funny story about rhyming. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye-bye.